Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a dog car seat. It's the YCD001, and my goal is to get this one here and put it on my seat here, so when I bring my Penny with me, she won't make a mess all over the seat because she walks around in dirt and whatnot, so I want to be clean. So let's see what we got here. Very compressed. Here's our user manual. Might need that. Let me see if I can open up this bag. Tear the poly bag in the triangle corner. Oh, right here. Look at that. It even tells you how to open it. So here we go. So this is lots of foam and wrapping and stuff. I guess I'm gonna have to open it up down here, get everything out of it. So we have a pad here. It's funny that it comes with this whole mesh thing right up in there. That's going to be side panels, like that bottom panel. Oops. More here. Got all these different pieces and parts. And then here's going to be the structure for it. The body. And here's another pillow. Okay, so we got everything out of it. I have my dog over there. Oh, it's weird. It's going to be good. Okay, so this is what it looks like here. This is the body of it all, and then it's going to open up, and I'm going to guess it's going to zip together and be there. So let's see, how do we add all the panels in here? It looks like we're going to have zipper panels on the bottom and sides to do it. Let's just zip up this here to kind of give it some structure to start with, and then we can start working on it in a second. Okay, so there we have a cavity of a dog bed.